Hi, Paul Rabley. I want to tell you about a family that I've been working with. This particular couple, of course, lived in Louisiana, and they had seen another family member really blow through about $500,000 in long-term care costs. The family member had done no legal planning to protect themselves from that. So it was all of the money that that person had saved over their lifetime was almost gone, and this particular couple just kind of watched it before their eyes. So the couple was talking to me, and they said, I don't want what happened to our relative, to happen to us. We'd like to protect what we've had, what we have. We'd like it ultimately to go to our children. We want to do it in a way where it's protected and it's easy. So they told me a little bit about what they owned. They had a house or a home that was paid for. It was worth about $350,000. And they had some savings. They had some retirement savings that was in their IRA. It was valued at about $250,000. They were taking some monthly distributions out of their IRA, not only the required distribution because they were older than 70 and a half, but an additional amount each month just to supplement their Social Security and other monthly income that they had. So they had that $250,000 IRA. In addition to that, they had some savings. They had some money in the bank, perhaps around $100,000. And they had a little bit of stock that they had acquired. It wasn't in their retirement account. It was held, in their name outside of their retirement account. So we started talking, and they started asking what would happen if we went into a nursing home. And basically, I told them if they went into a nursing home, they'd have to, sell all of their stock. They'd have to spend all of the money that they had in the bank, and then they'd be forced to take the remaining distributions out of their IRA, pay the taxes, and spend that money on the nursing home. I told them that they could keep their home as long as at least one of them was alive, because the rule is they let you keep your home just in case you get well enough to go back home from the nursing home. But I told them once you both pass away, Medicaid has its estate recovery rights on your home, so they can force the sale of your home after you pass away to reimburse Medicaid what they spent on you while you were in the nursing home. They didn't like that because it was exactly what was happening to their relative, and they knew if they did nothing, they risked losing everything and not being able to provide any kind of legacy to their children, to their grandchildren. So what we did was, and they were surprised how simple and easy it was to develop a legal program where they could structure everything. And yes, we used their wills and their trusts and everything the right way so that their house was protected, their savings was protected, their stock was protected, and they developed a plan to take a little bit more distributions from their IRA that they've been doing in the past in order to get that out of their IRA and in a place where it's protected from nursing home expenses. But they were able to retain complete control over everything that they own for the rest of their lifetimes. Really nothing would go to the children until both spouses passed away. So what they really liked that was they were really scared that they risked losing everything should one or both of them go into the nursing home. They didn't want to wait any longer because they knew that there was a timing element to getting all of this straight. You can't do this at the last minute, you'll lose everything. And then they really liked that everything was set up so that they would stay in control of everything, but there would not need to be any kind of succession or probate proceeding when either one of them died, through the way the bank accounts were set up, through the way the IRAs had beneficiaries, through the way the home and the stock were titled in a trust. It enabled them to set up things to not only protect it from possible future nursing home expenses, but also eliminate the need for any kind of court proceeding when they pass away. So really clean, really simple, really easy. Planning ahead enables you to do that. If you have a situation that may be similar to theirs and you'd like to start a conversation about it, perhaps you should call our office 866-491-3884 and just ask. Perhaps you can tell whoever answers the phone a little bit about your circumstances, and they'll make sure that it's something that we can help you with, and be happy to start a conversation that way. I'm Paul Ramberline. Have a great day.